The other way. There we go. Alright.
How do you normally cross your hands? Like this?
Like this. So I guess it is the other way. Alright, well anyways. Alright, today we're doing some headshots. I got Jonas here. I'm gonna tag him down below. Maybe even right here if I can. So for headshots, we're gonna get headshots for the agents. And what agents want to see is pretty much their entire face. So we're not gonna do super creative. We're not gonna push one side of his face completely out of detail. You can't see it, it's all dark. What we want to be able to see is that light on the side of his face. They agencies and producers, casting. There you go. Agencies and casting want to be able to see his face, so then they know what they look like, so then they can put them into the movies. So basically, what they're looking for is his face and good detail.
Your face.
Your face.
Well, they're watching, so they want your face.
Yeah.
But we're gonna do my face today.
Yeah.
But when you do it, they're gonna want your face.
And then this is how we're gonna take photos of the model.
You get it.
All right, let's get started.
Let's do it.
Anyways, I'm gonna show you the lighting setup and the first lighting setup. Let's show you that. On the camera left side in the back, we have a strip box with a grid on it. Same with the right side. Another strip box with a grid on it. We have a reflector to bounce all the light from this main light source, which is a large Octobay. Okay, so the lights that I'm using are newer flashes. For these newer flashes, they're just cheap models, and for these cheap models, I have the trigger, which is a newer trigger. The camera I'm using is actually a new camera. I haven't talked about this yet, but it is a Sony a7 III. Now, I also have the 85mm on it. 85 1.8 Sony, so these headshots should be pretty good. I'm shooting at f8 anyways, so there's not a whole lot of 1.8 happening. It's all f8, so that's pretty much the setup. Using those lights, Jonas as a model sitting in the chair right there.
Hi.
Okay. Okay, so what this lighting setup is basically doing is it's creating a nice soft light to his left side. And what the soft light is doing is it's reaching over onto the right side and filling out more of his face and getting rid of any of the pores on, well, his face. What the reflector is doing is it's bouncing any light that's not reaching the right side of his face and just filling it in. Now, the lights in the background are just separating him from the background and creating a photo that looks more three-dimensional. So, with this lighting setup, it's not much different. The only thing we did change was instead of a soft light, we're gonna go for a hard light. Now what this basically does is it just shows a little bit more of his pores, adds a little bit more direction to the light, and it also helps structure his face a little bit more by creating a little bit more defined shadows under his jawline, which helps define, well, his jawline, his chin. It also defines the shape of his nose a bit more.
There's no way to hold it in. No more hiding who I wanna be. This is me.
These are great. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna switch the lights around just a little bit. I'm gonna put the main light just behind the model, and what that's gonna do is it's gonna create lighting from, well, behind, and it's going to light the side of his face, and we're going to fill it in with that reflector. So the main light source is going to fill the side of the face that's not to the front of the camera, but further away from the camera. So this should make a cool and a little bit more interesting of a shot.
Don't go away.
I'll be right back.
This is the 3-light setup. We got the gray background still. Those side lights or the back lights are still back there. The only thing we're changing is the front light. Now we have this light, we just moved it from the side to overhead, and we got rid of the reflector, and we got now a white piece of foam board, and we're using that foam board just to reflect any of the light so the chin doesn't become a silhouette and doesn't look like just a pure black void of, well, black. This light is overhead, so what this is doing is it's creating even lighting. So all the shadows on the side of his chin are going to be even, and the light going straight down his face is, well, going to be even, as you can guess. It's going to create a small shadow under his nose, which will look like a upside down triangle, and the shadow under his chin will also create an upside down triangle. I don't even know if we're both in. That's okay. You're the model. You should be in frame.
That
For
concludes our broadcast day.
Is it broadcast? I guess it could be broadcast.
Whatever
That
you want
concludes
to
the
call it.
video.
Thanks for watching, guys.
If you liked any of the shots, comment down below what one you're. If you liked any of the photos, comment down below what photo was your favorite. And
This guy is. He knows what he's talking about. He knows what he's doing.
I hope I do. Anyways.
No, it was great. We had lots of fun. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you come back and watch more videos. And we need more viewers.
Alright,
We love you guys.
Thank you. Subscribe. Hit that like button if you enjoyed the video, and have a good one. Subscribe down here.
Oh yeah, I see it. It's right there.
Yeah,
There you go.
right there.
Right there.
Yeah.
Found it.
Thank you. Thank you for hitting that subscribe button.
Bye, guys.
Bye.
Auf Wiedersehen. Au revoir.
Have you ever seen Monsters Inc?
I've seen Monsters. Have you seen Cats?
Cats?
That was a bad movie.
I haven't, but
Got really bad
there's a-
reviews. Remember.
If you get it, you get it.
Yeah, you got it. You got it. Wait. That one movie. That's Aristocats. There we go. That's that was a good movie.
He doesn't get it yet.
What?